4, minimum of 1, that you have to select. So you could actually go and you could say 1, 2, 3, 4. And then these little eyes will appear. And that means you selected those characters. You already had the voice for them, the voice that you want. So those are the little characters, and then the voice that you wanted, because you said testing 1, 2, 3 at the beginning, didn't you? Yeah, exactly. And they can make their own voices, they could make their own songs, they could make their own little story. Now, when you press, after you select your little character, you're going to come to another one, which is your background. So those are the backgrounds that you're going to come up with, and it'll come up like that. So you're going to select that. If you want to select pretty well like maybe this one where the roads are, or the hilly one, that's what I picked sometimes. You know, or even the road, I said, Casa Pamaso, and I was telling Katie that, and you know, teaching her the road and everything. And then you press next. Or you can take a picture of your student or whatever, or even a picture of member tool, and then you can import that picture to be your background. So simple as that. Or if you had a file, like maybe a worksheet or something that you want. So maybe, like, you know those MK posters that we distributed? I went to the, I just took a picture of it, and I put it into that as an import. And I was able to make a video, I will get it, that kind of video. So I was able to do that by importing this. So you could see my friend's face, Rose and I at the beginning, but all these little pictures I imported myself with my best buddy, the computer. You can also, when you press, after you press your background, you can press your prop. So on the video, one of the videos that I want to show you later, you see the barn itself. Those are props. And some of the props will move. Like the flower can move. So when I was singing, so that little flower was like my little cursor. So when the child would, you know, would sing it, like they would see the little flower or whatever. So, so you can select your props and scenery by clicking it and then pressing next. So, and some of them can move. Now, then you get to the other part. Okay, I selected my character, I selected my scenery, and I also selected my prop, which doesn't make sense. Windmill for one buzzing. And then you will see a recording button at the left side of the top page. So you're going to press that, and if there are, remember when I said you could have 4 characters? Each of those little characters will have like a little arrow, red arrow on top, above their heads. But when you play it, that red arrow is not going to show. So because if I had like if I had the farmer or whatever, I can pretty well hit that character who I want to record as. And then when you finish recording, you're going to save your project. You're going to make sure that if you want to save it on your device, you're going to press that. Save it into your device. Which means, remember when at the first window it says new, and open. If you save it on your device, when you look into that area where it says open, your video is going to be there. And then, but you can save it to your iCloud if you want. But I never did the iCloud. I always use my device. And then you have to name your puppet show because it'll be easier for you to see that when you look at it in the window where it says open. So you'll be able to find that and just send it to somebody. And we can share it. As soon as you say, okay, I'm going to share this little video that I did to my friends, you say press share and a window will pop up like this. And then you can choose where you want to export this video. I exported it with Facebook. I exported it with email. I exported it even with just my friends in the office that share the airdrop kind of thing. So that's where, or I can just save it and then I save it into my computer. Because if I send you an email, it expires within 30 days. So those are emails, I guess, everywhere. Like, they'll expire. So this summer, I did 2 of them. Lankalan's Nemidu. And it was my own Mi'kmaq version of it because we're so hung up in translating word by word. And it'll just drive you nuts. It drives me nuts. So I don't know about you, but it drives me nuts when people say, translate this or, But we always have to think, if you're going to be creating a song for a child, you're going to have to really think about what that child can say and make it fun. So, we know the English version. I don't even know the English version, really. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and I don't know what comes next, E-I-E-I-O. So these are my characters. They are, the first one, say, Wendidia. Jejulanegum, Giggly Wedge, Jeej, Giggly Wedge, Jeej, Daisy Boat, Jeej, Wukwi, Jeej. Go ahead and back it to Lankalan. So that's my prop. I inserted that. So that's my little, that little prompt. Lankalan, say this. Yeah, me. Lankalan. Bueno, la. That's my favorite. Custom those in Island Marshall upset with because there's a boat, they'll stop sit in Island. So she called on Pablo, what you don't know si Facebook deh ni gitu, nak model toxic. Pas aku pas So I went, oh my God. So then he posts something on Facebook. For your information, the Buffalo song, Long Lance Let Me Do, that's not me singing. For your information.
We have this in our class at daycare that kids eliminated she got the
this character. I'm still living it. Lanka lines let me do. E-I-E-I-O. Kukwitish na wingijik. E-I-E-I-O. Aladik. Mula. Ala. Amsterdami. Kukwitish na wingijik. E-I-E-I-O. Kukwitish na little masks that the kids can do. Oh, repita. Kasi ka tosok bisa na ko ibrige popsicle stick or something. Muna ni ka artistic go. Manong grabe I was at this other workshop and they said, "Kaya Leo ga bejo." And Veloas in AP truck or whatever it was called. That thing. Veloas Yudi Rao, yeah. Customer jugglers going to what's food and kikisit. And I added other characters, and those were the other characters. There were I wanted 8 characters because to complete that song, and I want you to listen to it in a recording thing. Because this is the end of this part of the presentation, because I have another part. Come on, let me dig. Okay. So, like I said, I'll do up the song, not thinking about Old MacDonald at all, because you just try to translate that. Don't go there. It sounds crazy. So, that's my normal voice. Amsterdam chick chick, Kimberly Gwen chick chick chick, E-I-E-I-O, Lanka Hans and E-I-E-I-O, Daisy Road chick down with Gil chick, E-I-E-I-O, Oladet nene, Olade, Amsterdam nene, Daisy Road chick down with Gil chick, E-I-E-I-O, Lanka Hans and E-I-E-I-O, what we just got we kill you. E-I-E-I-O, Ola did oink oink, ala did oink oink, ala oink, Amsterdam oink oink, what we just got we kill you. E-I-E-I-O, Lanka lines and me do. E-I-E-I-O, just go around, just we kill you. This song. So again, dan jujua request was iga munje kisanan betki muda request for the teacher. If there's a request from a teacher, I take that into consideration that it's your voice, your request is the voice of all teachers. So when that teacher told me, would you be able to record this with your normal voice so that when I'm in a classroom, I could put it in a jump drive, because it's really hard for us to use the iPad, because every time when the song stops, I have to go back to the iPad and I have to press it. So I said, okay. So I recorded those songs from the recording studio, and then you'll be getting your copy today for those. But I only have 30. I only have 30. So what I'm suggesting is that if you can partner with your workers or whatever, maybe you could take one for your group and then just copy it. Jump driver, or even just put it in your computer. So it'll say MP3, but not only that, just hold on. Show you something else. Last summer, Rega, I went to a school. I'm not going to say which school. So I went to a school. A lot of my friends told me to help them because they're developing material. So I did. And while I was sitting there, I wanted to help them as much as possible because they were going to teach students in September. I wanted them to know that I wanted them to have something in their hands, and so that they can teach verbs. So I developed these verbs. There's 66 verbs, and they are printed in a paper that's sounds like this. So it's like plastic content with it, and you can't rip it. You can if you really are mad. Don't get mad. If you want to rip it, go and rip something else. So you don't have to laminate this. Yeah, and then it's small enough for small hands, for those little angels. So they look like this. So, Mijisink is to eat. The concept of that is to eat. But here we are, and I only included only three persons because, as simple as possible, we don't want to go further.
You can go further if you want to. It's up to you. You know your students best. So the first person that you deal with on a daily basis is who? Yourself. Gil ang siya Mariamsin, first thing in the morning. Gil, one below is Mariamo, Paskil. You have to be taking care of yourself the very first time you open your eyes. So, but then we turn around and we deal with the second person, which is you. Ni Jujugil. Ni Gil. And then we have to deal with the third person. Ni Gil. Neg. So it could be he or she. Ni Gil Neg. So in your jump drive, you are going to see a voice support for that card. So it'll look like this, just in case you don't know how to say it. And if you're learning. So, Mijisi, Mijisin, Mijisit. So I could say, Mijisi, Mijisinige, Ewisin, Mijisinige. Gizalis Vivian Mijisit. Kisluades, I want to listen, sorry. Keisha. Keisha Mijisit. So we can make little sentences, tiny little sentences, and we can practice. You can practice that in your classroom. So,
Always one day. Like this, there one day.
so. So your thing is going to look at like that. So you're going to look for the word mijisim. Eat. And it'll be a support for you right here. So you click it twice. And here's your support.
Mijisin. Mijisin. Ni, Gil, Neva. Mijisi. Mijisi.
You can move that.
Mijisin. Mijisin. Mijisit. Mijisit. Mijisi. Mijisin. Mijisit.
So that's what you're going to see in your jump drive. So, hello? So what the New Brunswick people are going to do, they're going to make them these cards their own cards. So and we allow them to do that. Yeah. So and their spelling would be totally different. They're going to hello.
And I did that with the emojis yesterday, so
Yeah.
anybody who was in my session, I took the exact same template, and I have them for all 23 emojis that you guys would have seen with me yesterday.
Yes. So, because what did we say at the beginning? Our honor song, Abona Maruti. Abona Maruti, Mushpa. Hello?
So Delaware, they are Michisi. We have test, they are pronouns, so Delaware test, he, Michisi, is the position Delaware.
Moho, it's already in there.
It's already in.
And the more you use that, you right away, that concept will come into your brain. But at the beginning, Mijisi. Use those gestures with your kids so they'll, they don't that this is me, this is you, and this is them. He or she. So those all kinds of cards.
Yeah.
I'm just going to say the first one. El do and Fasi, Bewai, Dok Tuai, and so on and so on and so on. So there are 66 of them. And but I have another parts. These are the body parts. So the body part, again, you see the same structure. Niin, kiel, negon. So, uksispon, uksispon. So, here, on these cards, the endings, the possession was at the end, and here is at the front. So our body parts, and you can write sentences. You can say, kes nubuig and sispon. Kes nubuig and sispon. Or meski and sispon. You know, meski and sispon. And you can get a word and you can, add that on there where how many times you can use this. Make a little, like if you say, if I said, gesnubuig sispon, I can say gesnubuig nipt. So you can still use that word into different areas. Each of you are going to get one. But you can't get the verbs because I don't have them. Yeah, but you can get the body parts. So I'm just going to get one of them. You're going to get one copy each, so maybe the best thing you should do is this. Maybe if you're with a group, like your buddy system, take one of this and then take one of this. Like your buddy take one and you take the other one. Okay, so so I'm going to have some people help me with this because they're very heavy for me. So, and you always, so these two women are going to help out. So you're going to maybe distribute, and the other thing is for body, they didn't do it. They were supposed to replace a card here. Our team didn't do it. See here. Okay, this is what we're going to do. If you receive a body one, maybe it's best to come and see me afterwards because there's a card in there that you have to replace. It says my stomach ache instead of my stomach. So just discard that one once you get the new one. So they were supposed to put them in there, the students, but I guess they didn't. So the girls are going to distribute maybe, you can start with whatever you want. Yeah, there's a limited supply. You have both, Milos.
Okay, so you don't want me? Yeah, I got you here.
So these are the USBs. There's 60 of them. So we're going to distribute them. There's songs in there and there's videos in there and supports for these. Jujuam. and I hope you use them and feedback Pablo Jeddore, okay? Beverly at ginu.ca. Beverly@ginu.ca. And here are some cards. If you don't know me, I know a lot of people do, but some people don't know me, so there's one. Diane, I'm going to give you one.
So we won't lose contact.
I'll talk to the front. Okay. So I want to use that to get her. Thank you.
So, you know, share that.
Looks like everybody's got them.
It took me hours and hours to do that, just to dub that. I suggest you buy, that's a 16 gig, what you guys have. That's a 16 gig, so I just wanted to make sure. So what I'm suggesting, if I send something to you, I want you to download that into that USB. So you'll always have a USB with stuff from me, really, because so presence, send me ideas, ideas, because this sparked a lot of stuff, really, this group of women, because they they were like, said, Dalgulu and La. I want to say I want to say that he is eaten. Dalgulu is Pablo. So what I want, and you know that our apps at MK get a lot. Those ones, I started focusing on those and using those to make more work with them, because then you guys have a voice support. Then you don't have to depend on me for a voice support. So so all those things, tomorrow in my presentation, I'm going to use another app called Explain Everything. So our math teachers, they know that, but with the Explain Everything, the animated voice support for Mijisim is the one that I made with Explain Everything. So tomorrow I'm going to do that workshop tomorrow at, I don't know what time, I know it's tomorrow. So anyway, so that teachers can make their own animated videos. Because if you have a poem or story or a song that you do all the time, and you wanted to do a animated video or even teach, you can really make that's a file, and you can pretty well make a video with that. And I'll show, I'll do that tomorrow. If you have any questions, is there any questions? Oh,
So what I mean for my kids, I can do like one part, they can be like for a week, and one
You have to use total physical response. Nunji, sis, mon, siduahan, dun, so those kinds of things help too, like physical response and everything. Wala, don't you see